This is the cam profile problem. Problem is the cam rotation with uniform speed is required to a given following motion to a knife edge follower. The outstroke of the follower is 40 mm for 60 degree of the cam rotation is given. Here they are given as theta naught is given as 60 degree along the cam angle theta, that is along x-axis they have given it, and along y-axis they are given as 40 mm, that we consider as a yes. The dual plate for the next 30 degree of the cam rotation they have given it. They are given it as a theta d here. Dual plate they have given it. The return stroke during the next 60 degree of the cam rotation they have given it. Here they are given as theta r. Next, dual plate for the remaining 210 degree of cam rotation, and this again the dual they have given it. Theta rd I will consider this one, and this part I will consider as a OR. The minimum radius of the cam is 50 mm. The base circle is given as base circle, that is RP. The follower moves with a uniform velocity. The condition is given as a uniform velocity. There are the four conditions. First is the uniform velocity, second is SHM, third is UARM, and fourth is cycloidal. We are discussing one by one here. For both outstroke and the return stroke, here the uniform velocity for both outstroke and the return stroke. Draw a cam profile. First one, the follower passes through the axis of the camshaft. That means this is the base circle and this is the knife edge, and the axis of the knife edge has to pass through the axis of the follower, axis of the cam. The condition first is the follower passes through the axis of the camshaft. The follower axis passes through the axis of the cam. Condition 1. And second condition is the follower axis, this is the base circle, the follower axis is 15 mm. From this origin it is 15 mm. This condition we call as an, here the follower, the axis is about 15 mm from the axis of the camshaft. This condition we call as an offset method. Offset method. Now, based upon this one data, we are first doing the displacement curve, then we will go for the cam profile. First we will draw the displacement curve. The y-axis is 40 mm. The stroke they have given is 40 mm. Now 40 mm has to divide into 6 parts. It is very difficult to divide 40 into 6 parts. If you go for it, 40 divided by 6, you will get around 6.66 mm. It is very difficult to divide this into 6 parts. In order to do this one, a line is drawn inclined to this line, and this part it will be divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this end is joined to this one and draw parallel to this one. If you measure it, this distance, it approximately about 6.66. Now this is the displacement 40 mm, that is S is given here. The outer stroke is 60. I will consider the scale 1 centimeter as a 10 degree. 60. The dual is 30. 30 means I will go for 90 here. Again there is a 60. And the remaining will be 210. No need to go for the complete lining for the dual. Just go for the zigzag line. Draw exact parallel line with the help of this roller scale to this portion. This is the 60 degree, 30, again 60, and this is the dual. We'll go for naming of this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. This is the outstroke. Theta naught will be 60 degree. Theta D will be the knot. Outstroke D will be 30 degree. And this will be theta R will be 60 degree return stroke. And theta RD or DR 210 degree. And this part has to be under 6 part. 6 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again this part will be divided into 6 part. That is, the scale is taken as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the vertical lines parallel to the AJ. Parallel to the AJ. Similarly here also. Go for naming. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Go for name of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Draw the horizontal line by taking the reference as AE line. Next 1, 1, mark it out. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 4, 5 and 5, 6 6. Similarly, it is a return stroke 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Draw the line. This is the displacement curve. This part we call as a cam angle theta, and this part we call as a displacement. This we call as an outstroke. This portion we call as a dual. This portion is nothing but return stroke. Again, this portion is the dual. Based on displacement curve, we have to draw the cam profile. The next part is about the cam profile. Condition 1. The follower passes through the axis of camshaft. The base circle is given as 50 mm. Take 50 mm as a radius with the help of compass. Draw the axis here. I will consider this as O here with the help of protector. 60 degrees the outstroke, and 60 will be divided into 6 parts. 10 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Draw the lines. I'm going to go for the naming. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Extend the line. From this line to this line, theta naught will be 60 degree. With the help of protector, keep the protector to this line and go for dual, It will be exactly touching to this profile. OD is nothing but 30 degree. With the help of the protector, A, B, C, OC, you have to keep over the OC line. Again you have to go for 60 degree, and 60 degree has to be 26 part, and this will be the return stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go for extension of the line. Go for naming. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. C and D here. Take the compass. From 1 to 1. Take 1. 1 to 1 displacement curve. 1, 1, cut an arc. Similarly 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, cut an arc. 3, 3, 3, 3, cut an arc. 4, 4, 4, cut an arc. 5, 5, cut an arc. 6, 6, cut an arc. This complete your outstroke. There will be dual again. Return stroke 6, 6, cut an arc. Again 5, 5, 5, 5, cut an arc. 4, 4, 4, 4, cut an arc. Go for naming of this one. Go for naming of this one. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash. One dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash. 3, 3, cut an arc. 2, 2, cut an arc. 1, 1, cut an arc. Draw the profile here, touching to this point. It should be a smooth curve rather than be a line. And darken this circle. Remaining portion you have to dark it out. dark it out. And draw a knife edge follower here. It will reciprocate here. And this angle will be 210 degree, that is double theta RD, and this will be theta R 60 degree. While drawing the cam profile, we are not considering any scale here, but while drawing the displacement curve, we have to consider the scale. For this one, I have considered 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree, and for this one, I have considered 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree. For displacement, I have not considered any scale here. The next concept is about the offset. Offset concept is that 50 mm as a radius, draw a circle. And 50 mm as a base circle, and 15 as an offset distance. This is the offset distance, 15 mm. In the question they have not mentioned whether we have to go for towards the right or left. Now I am considered as a right here. In the question they are not said about the clockwise or anti-clockwise. I will consider here as a clockwise rotation. Draw the axis here. Now this is the offset, exactly parallel to the axis. Draw a line and draw a dotted line from this point. This is the offset of 15 mm. This is the origin. With the help of a protractor, which has to be placed over this portion, OA, from this portion I have to divide into 6 parts, the outstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this lines, this dotted point has to be transferred over this profile. If the dotted lines appear here, it has to be transferred to this line, and draw a dotted line to this line and go for extension. First you have to transfer this dotted line to this circle. Transfer it out. In this way you have to transfer it out. And draw a extension of this one in this way. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. Draw the line parallel to this one. It touches here. From this point, draw a dotted line. With the help of a protector, OA, and this part has to be divided into 6 parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Go for naming. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. And this portion has to be dotted line. This is the B. Again from this OB there will be dual of 30 degree. Go for dual of 30 degree. It appears here. Go for dotted line. Again from this C to O, return stroke, and that has to be done to 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Go for dotted line. This is the D. Now take the scale, the 1, draw the line from the 1 tangent to this circle. From the 2, draw the line from the 2 tangent to this circle. 3, as a point, draw the line tangent to this circle. 4, as a point, draw tangent to this circle. 5, as a point, draw tangent to this circle. 6, as a point, draw tangent to this circle. Similar way, 6 here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0 here. 6 as a point here, tangent to this one. It is a return stroke. It is a return stroke. Be careful, it is a return stroke here. 5 as a point, draw tangent to this circle. 4 as a point, draw tangent to this circle. 3 as a point, draw tangent to the offset circle. And this, look here, this line has to be transferred before drawing the circle. In this way it has to be transferred to 2. This line will be passed here. Mark it out. 1 is passed here. Cut it out. These 2 line, draw a tangent. From the 1, draw a line tangent to this one. From the 0, as a point, draw a tangent. After completion of this one, bring the displacement curve. Now this is the one here. This is the one. From 1 to 1, cut a mark and arc. 2 to 2, cut it out. 3 to 3, cut it out. 4 to 4, cut it out, 5 to 5, cut it out, 6 to 6, cut it out. Again similar way, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go for naming, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 to 3 dash, 4 to 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash. Draw the profile. It should be a smooth curve rather than the line. And darken this portion. This is a dual thread. And darken this section. It has to be dark. This is the offset here. 15 mm offset towards the right. And this is nothing but theta naught is equal to 60 degree. From this part is nothing but theta d 30 degree. Again from this part to this part, angle theta r 60 degree. OD it is from this angle, it is theta RD 210 degree. This is the offset problem. This is the displacement. Based upon displacement, we have drawn the offset problem. Offset. Thank you for seeing.